Hello everyone, my name is Daniel, and I want to show you guys a way that you can get a little advantage when you're playing Fiesta Online. So let's say that you have just made a new character, and you want to get, right now you see we have 32 damage here. There's a way we can increase that pretty easily. Just even at level 1, we're going to run over to our storage keeper. Now this isn't my first character on this account, so I've got some items ready for me, just to make this easier to show you guys. Basically, the item we're going to be looking at here is Elru, a stack of 100 Elru. And this is not just for what you might think it's for, which is upgrading your weapons, but it's actually to get a title. Titles, when you push C, you can click change to allocate a title and put one on. Right now we don't have any, so here's how you would normally get one, right? So first you're going to need at least 100 Elru or some money in your account to buy some. If you go to item merchant pay, you can buy Elru from her for 270 copper each, so you'll need about at least maybe 27 silver to buy 100 Elru. You can probably do it with 60 Elru as well. You also need a little bit more money to be buying a couple of items from Carl, so we'll run back to the storage keeper and pick those up. I'm just going to be taking out some storage items to sell to be able to afford what I need to get from Carl. Now, if you've just started playing, you won't have any items to sell, so I'll just show you how to get some items and money in a different video. But for now, this is something that you can do on a new character, but to make your level 1 experience easier, but maybe not your first character. Or if a friend can give you a little bit of silver to help you with this part, that works too. So then you walk around this corner over here to Carl, who's up here. He is the smithy. He helps to build, enhance, and sell items, shields, equipment, and rings. The only item you start off with is a bow, so we'll take that. So essentially what you need to do to get the title is to upgrade 15 items to be level plus at least +3. So I'm going to be selling all of my items that I don't need here to get a little bit of extra money. And then I'm just going to buy 14 rings. You can see here I've got 6, 12, 13, 14. I'm going to buy 14 rings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 rings, plus I'll also enhance my bow. So you can collect a blacksmith James refine item. Throw your bow in here in the Elru. You're going to just click begin OK 3 times. If it works, your bow will be +3. Otherwise, you might need to use a couple more Elru. Now we're going to do the same thing for every single one of these rings. There's 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. Now the enhancement chance of this working is very high percentage, but sometimes you'll get a fail, and when you do, it'll just take a couple of extra Elru to get it to +3. You might need to put in like 4 or 5 Elru. That's why we buy 100 Elru, so we can easily afford that. And you just have 5 left. One more. And there we are. So now when we push C and we click change, we'll have all these titles, but the best one is Miraculous Enhancer, which gives you 20 to physical damage and magic damage. Hello.